name's Rachel Tomlinson and I'm currently head teacher at Barrowford School in Lancashire. I first came across Number Fun when I was working for Lancashire Authority as a teacher advisor for primary maths. And Dave came and did some input on one of our training courses for serving maths coordinators. Following that, we then used Dave's material quite often to show teachers on the courses that we were providing for the authority. I then took part in some days with Dave working with children from across the authority in themed maths weeks for the authority. And I loved the stuff that Dave was doing and loved the material that he was providing and thought that it was going to have a massive impact on the teaching of maths in the authority. I moved on from my teacher advisor post and went back into school as a deputy head to work in a primary school in the Year 3-4 class. So that gave me the opportunity to use it with children, which was fantastic because I'd not had that opportunity before. And it had such a massive impact. The children I was working with at the time was in quite a deprived area. And they really responded to it and they really took it on, and it made their learning so much more passionate, really. They were more enthusiastic about what they were doing. Then obviously Dave then developed more materials that we were using across Key Stage 2, and then moved to a bigger school in a different part of the authority, and obviously brought my Number Fun practice with me, which was then shared across the other teachers who hadn't heard of Number Fun material. It's since become quite a thing in our school that teachers use Number Fun as part of their teaching of maths. Across the board. We have a very creative approach to teaching and learning here at Barrowford, and as I took up headship 2 years ago, that's developing at quite a pace, really, and Number Fun has a big role to play in that because it's part of our creative culture. It's part of the way we do things a little bit differently. Most of the teachers use Dave's materials as a matter of course through their teaching and learning, and the children come to expect it. The children love using Dave's songs. We hear them out in the playground, we hear them from parents. Parents come and talk about the songs and sing the matters and different things. So it is fantastic. It's changed the way the teachers in my school teach maths, certainly, and it's made them more confident with the concepts because they have another tool to teach them with. And it has had a hand in raising standards across the board, not just in maths, but because children are more confident, they enjoy school more. So